Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through My Help as recorded by the Brooklyn Tabernacle Choir. This song was recorded in the key of F. Okay, so let's start with the intro and then we'll break it down. Okay, so the first chord shows up as a B flat major 13 sharp 11. So you're going to be playing this F and D, this G and E. Then as soon as you play this A and F, you're going to play an arpeggio on your left hand. Your left hand is going to play B flat, F, D, then A, B flat, C, D. Your right hand is going to be playing F, D, G, E, F, actually A and F, and back down to G and E, F and C, C and F. And you can hit this D minor chord. All together. Plays that lick there. Then we go to the next chord, which is a D minor 9 sus4. Okay, and then we move on to the next chord, which is a D flat major 9. So on your left hand, and your right hand, A flat, B flat over G, D flat, A flat over C. To a B flat minor 7, then to a C7 sus4, resolve it to C7, then C13 sus, to C7 flat 9, to F. Okay, the whole sequence. Okay, let's start off with the first verse. I will lift up mine eyes to the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord which made heaven and earth. He said he will not suffer thy foot to be moved. The Lord that keepeth thee, he will not slumber nor sleep. Okay, so you're going to be starting off C13 sus, to the C7 flat 9. Okay, an easy way to remember these chords is just think a B flat major 7 on top of C. And then we're gonna just play regular, diminished chord. Think E diminished 7 or B flat diminished 7 on top of C. Then F. So you can play any variation on the inversions. Then Whence Cometh My Help, you're going to play a C chord on top of F. Okay, then F again, help cometh from, then F over A, the Lord. So you can play this C to B flat, or just B flat. Then G minor, the Lord which made heaven and earth. So I like to play this C sus4 on top of C7. Okay, so I like to play this. You're playing a B flat 2 over D, to a C over E, to F. Then he will not suffer thy foot. It's F, thy foot to be moved. And that's that C chord over F. To F, the Lord that keepeth thee. He will not slumber nor sleep. Okay, we've gone through these chords. Okay, now we're going to play this A7 sus4 flat 9. For the Lord is thy keeper. Okay, so to think of this chord, you're going to think a G minor in your right hand and an A in your bass. So that makes the A7 sus4 flat 9 voicing. Then go ahead and go to that G diminished 7. So G minor to G diminished 7. And then go to the D minor. So you're going to play D minor. Lord is thy keeper, the Lord. To D flat diminished 7. He is thy shade, to D minor. Then you're going to play an F over C upon, so G over B, descending with the bass to G, descending more to C over E, to C. Then you're going to play a G minor over F, to F over A, right hand. Okay, then we're gonna go starting with this B flat, going down in thirds, E minor 7 flat 5, classic 7-3-6, to A7 flat 9. You can also do this. Thy shade. Okay. Then we're going to go to a G minor 7 flat 5. My help. F over C. Okay. A 7 flat 9 to D minor 7. Back to G minor 7 flat 5. My help. All of my help cometh from the. Okay, so that's a G minor, F over A, G minor over B flat, half diminished, C, then you do a C over E, then you're going to go to a B flat over D, then a C sus4, we do it again. Okay, so you might have saw a few different chords there. There's one section of the song where they're playing "Sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night." So you're playing a C over B flat to B flat to B flat over C, which is a C9 sus4. Now the moon by night, that's a D flat, diminished 7 to D. You shall preserve thy soul, even forevermore. Okay? Okay, we've gone through this. My help, my help, my help, all of my help cometh from the my to the hills. That's pretty much almost the whole song, except for the end. Thank you so much. That was My Help by the Brooklyn Tabernacle Choir. Hey, if there's a song you would like me to cover on my channel, please do send in a donation. I've got some links in my bio for Venmo, PayPal, Cash App. You can also Zelle me. It really helps me spend the time to get out quality tutorials, so I much appreciate it. And please like and please subscribe and tell people you know. That way, if you have a song you need to learn for church in time, I can get that tutorial out for you, and hopefully you can do well in your services. All right, Thanks again, and take care.